Hello, and thank you for using Spot. Sample, process, one time, so that we may produce the best sample for you the first time. By watching this short video, you'll learn how to use Spot and will be instructed to document some important on-site information. Spot is a user-friendly color diagnostic tool developed by Stealth. For your convenience, Spot fits easily into your travel bag, where it's also safe for storing for future use. Before taking any photos or measurements, please read the instructions on the reverse side of Spot to ensure all the proper steps are followed. Complete the written documentation requirements as listed on the back, and be sure this information accompanies your on-site images taken with Spot to be forwarded to Stealth. This will include your name, company, site name, and date. Before we begin, take a look at this project where Spot was utilized for a historical building in downtown Baltimore, where an exact match was key. As you can see, Spot provided a great match for these chimneys, and we nailed the sample the first time. Now, let's get started on your project. You can attach Spot in the field using duct tape or a removable adhesive putty like Sticky Tack. We recommend adhering Spot to the wall at a height of about 4 to 5 feet. Position Spot flush to the surface to be matched, and be sure all of Spot is shown in each photo. For best results, use the no flash setting for all photos and do not attempt photos while facing toward the sun. If you're using your cell phone, make sure the HDR setting is turned off. Take one photo from a distance of about 10 feet away and one from about 50 feet. This should capture wide distance shots that place the location in context with its surrounding area. If the texture has substantial depth, take several photos from the side, almost flat to the wall, to show the depth. Take clear photos of necessary dimensions with a tape measure in the photo. Ensure that the zero end of the tape is in view and that the numbers are clear and legible. When measuring brick, be sure to document the height and width of the brick, as well as the thickness of the mortar. When measuring corrugation or similar surfaces, be sure clear photos are taken with a tape measure of the entire repeating pattern as well as the depth. If possible, collect physical samples, paint, brick, or mortar, along with photos of the extraction area. Lastly, review all images to be sure they are clear and that the dimensions on the measuring tape are legible. Before leaving the site, double-check all documented measurements for accuracy. Contact us today with any questions or for immediate on-site advice.